blast systems, painting installations and conveyor systems for the rail vehicle manufacturing sector. Whether wheel sets and axles, bogies or even complete trains, we're experts when it comes to the demands placed on the surfaces of rail vehicles and their components. The rail vehicle sector has been an important core sector for our company for many years. We supply a variety of well-known companies with equipment specially tailored to the needs of this manufacturing branch, including equipment such as blast rooms, blasting robots, Rico Blaster, filling and grinding cabins, prep cabins, paint spraying cabins equipped for manual and automatic paint application, drying cabins that use convection and refrigerated drying technologies, as well as conveyor technology for workpieces or workers. If you're planning a new investment that requires a concept optimized to reduce operating costs with potential savings of up to 70%, contact us today. SLF, a strong partner.